Layers in Photoshop CC. We can separate the elements in our image so that we can move and transform them independently. We can accomplish this by placing them in different layers. A Photoshop image can consist of multiple layers, with each layer containing different objects in the image. When we open an image in Photoshop, it exists as a single layer known as the background layer. We can add new layers on top of the background layer as we work. Layered Photoshop files act like several images combined into one. Each layer of an image has its own set of pixels that can move and transform independently of the pixels in other layers. Creating a new layer. To create a new layer in Photoshop CC, follow the given steps. Step 1. On the address bar, click on the Layer menu. A drop-down menu appears. Step 2. Select the new option from the drop-down menu. A sub-menu appears. Step 3. Click the Layer option from the sub-menu. Step 4. The new Layer dialog box appears. Type a name for the layer in the name box and click on the OK button. Layers panel. The Layers panel in Photoshop CC displays the list of all layers, layer sets, and layer effects in an image. Using the Layers panel, we can manage and adjust the layers. Reordering layers. To move a layer up or down, click on the layer and drag it up or down to the new position in the Layers panel. Renaming a layer. To rename a layer, double-click on the layer name and type the new name. Adding style to layer. To add style to a layer, click on the Add a Layer Style button. Duplicate layer. To duplicate layer, right-click on the layer name and select the Duplicate Layer option. Deleting a layer. To delete layer, select it and click on Delete Layer button in the Layer panel. Showing and hiding layers. To hide the layer contents, click the eye icon next to a layer. Click on the eye icon again to display the contents of the layer again. Filters in Photoshop CC. By using the Photoshop's CC filters, we can quickly and easily apply enhancement to our image, including artistic effects, texture effects, and distortions. Filters can help us correct defects in our image or enable us to turn a photograph into something that resembles an impressionist painting. Photoshop comes with many filters. We can use artistic filters to make our image look as though it was created with a paintbrush. Blur effects reduce the amount of detail in our image. Distort filters stretch and squeeze areas of our image. Filters in the Noise menu add or remove graininess. It can be useful to apply an abstract texture to a scene. Summing up, Photoshop CC allows us to create, modify, combine, and optimize digital images. Photoshop provides a collection of shape tools like the rectangle, the rounded rectangle, the ellipse, the polygon, the line, and custom shape. Text can be added to images using the text tools. We can use the brush tool and pencil tool to apply color with brush strokes, while the gradient tool and the paint bucket tool can be used to apply color to large areas. The retouching tools in Adobe Photoshop CC allow us to repair damaged images or apply repeated patterns. A Photoshop image can consist of multiple layers, with each layer containing different objects in the image. By using the Photoshop's filter, we can add a variety of special effects to our image.